Can electronic monitoring reduce crime recidivism? One of the significant goals to be achieved by using electronic monitoring is an increase of public safety. In order to achieve that, we should look not only at the direct monitoring results, but also focus on a very important outcome: crime recidivism. When we look further into it, we understand it is all about crime and punishment. Gary Becker, a researcher from Columbia University, described it perfectly. He presented a formula that examines the benefit from the crime versus the cost of it multiplied by the probability of getting punished. The one question is, which side weighs more? Now that we understand it is a matter of benefit and cost, it is clear that law enforcement authorities must make sure that the cost side is high, while the benefit side remains as low as possible. Let's take a daily example. Say there is a parking spot just outside your office. It saves you time, and this week is also a very stormy one, so any other spot will wet you to your bones. The problem is that this spot is a parking prohibited zone. Now let's take a look at the possible costs. In the first scenario, the fine is $20, but the probability to get such a fine is only 40%, so the actual cost is only $8. In the second scenario, both the ticket and the probability are higher, and the actual cost may reach $30. Until now, the decision is quite easy. The benefit seems to be higher than the cost. The third case is different. You may find yourself paying $1,000. This changes the equation dramatically. It is now crystal clear that the cost is by far higher than the benefit. Convicted offenders are natural candidates to go down the slippery slope of recommitting crimes. Making sure that the crime will not pay off is the way to keep them away from the edge of the cliff. When comparing electronic monitoring to traditional home detention, we clearly see the advantages of the electronic monitoring and its contribution to the reduction of recidivism. The above statement is supported by significant research, showing the recidivism is lower when using electronic monitoring. In order to achieve the desired result, it is not enough to just deploy an electronic monitoring system. Whoever deploys such a system must make sure that the system is reliable and available at all times as any other mission-critical system. The data is accurate and that the data integrity is kept. The alerts arrive in real time. The system is highly secured, both in terms of violation breaches and in terms of accessing the monitoring system by authorized personnel. To sum up, law enforcement authorities must make sure that the cost of committing crime remains very high, while the benefit is reduced to an absolute minimum. It is possible. It is proven electronic monitoring will reduce crime recidivism. Now all there is left to do is to contact us for further details.